Confused about doing APA citations? The library has you covered. For more information, you can check out libguides.sate.ca/APA. First off, how do you know when to cite? You need to cite anytime you use another person's ideas, opinions, creative works, data, statistics, or intellectual property. If you're frustrated, you're not alone, but we can help. Constructing your in-text citations will look a little bit different depending on whether you're paraphrasing or direct quoting. Paraphrasing means you've put someone else's ideas into your own words. A direct quote means you've copied the exact wording of the source you're using and put quotation marks around the words. When creating your reference list entries at the end of your assignment, remember that if you're using generators, to proceed with caution. They can have errors, and you'll want to check them against our guides. Start early so that your citations don't pile up, and use the correct format for your source type. Here are two different examples of reference list entries for two different sources. You can see that the book reference list entry has slightly different requirements than the journal reference list entry. Here's an example of how to cite a website. But if you find a source online, does that mean you cite it using this format? It depends, because if you find a newspaper article or a journal article online, then you need to use those formats to cite those sources. Here's a few examples of what you can do if you run into these common problems while creating your reference list entries. If you still have questions, make sure to check out libguides.sate.ca/APA or book an appointment with a librarian.